Hi, Sam. You love me? Oh, you love me? Sammy. Oh, you want to go? So, where do you want to go? Where was it? Oh, I see that tail thumping back there, huh? Do you love me, Sammy? Do you love me? Do you love me? Oh, I think that means he loves me. Oh, look at him show off. Are you showing off now, Sammy? Oh, you're playing with it. Oh, you're showing off your leash, right? You showing off your leash? What a cute puppy. You're a good doggy, aren't you? You're a good dog, right? You're a big dog. Oh, look at that. He gave me his paw. Look at those eyes. Oh, did you give me your paw? You gave me your paw, didn't you? You know, you're not supposed to be in this car.